Hello students, we are learning the lesson Internet Services. In that lesson, we are discussing types of internet connection. So in these types of internet connection, already I have discussed in this dial-up connection and broadband connection in my previous video. So now today I will continue this lesson with this point, cable TV connection. This type of connection is provided through cable TV lines. Okay, you might be seeing the cable TV lines, so cable line, so that cable will be pulled from house to house. Okay, so by using that cable, internet connection will be given. It uses a cable modem which provides extremely fast access to the internet. So this cable or this cable modem that provides very high speed of internet connection. You can access the internet in very high speed, okay, because the speed, the capacity of that cable is very high. So that's why that data gets transferred in a very high speed through that cable. So that's why we can access the internet in extreme speed. Okay, so that is cable TV connection. So by using that cable TV connection also, we can give the internet connection, or we can get the internet connection. So next is a satellite connection. In areas where broadband facility is not yet available, satellite connections are used. So you might be seeing remote areas, remote villages, or in forest areas or hill stations. So what happened there, broadband cable or broadband service is not yet reached. So many villages are there in our country, so still, so that broadband connection has not reached to that villages or that places. So in that places, in that areas, this satellite connection can be used. Okay, so by using this satellite connection, we can access the internet. Okay, wherever it is not possible to um, this pull this cable, broadband cable, in a hill stations or in a forest area. Okay, so in that places, so this satellite connection will be used. This requires a satellite dish to be installed in order to connect to the satellite. Okay, so to connect to the internet, so this satellite connection needs to require to install the dish. So you might be saying direct to home services. Now we have installed that dish services over top of our house, and we are using we are accessing the cable TVs. Okay, cable TV channels by using DTS like Dish TV, Tata Sky, Sun Direct, Videocon. Same manner, in a same way, we can access the internet connection by installing this dish. Okay, so by installing this dish, we can access the internet by using this satellite connection. So that dish access the signals through the satellites. Okay, so that is satellite connection. So next is a DSL, digital subscriber line. A DSL uses a two-wire copper telephone line. It allows you to make calls even when you are connected to the internet. So this DSL, digital subscriber line, is two-wire copper telephone lines. Okay, copper telephone line will be used for this services. Okay, for this DSL, and it allows you to make a calls even when you are connected to the internet. So whenever your system is connected with the internet, so that time also you can access the internet, or you can use the internet. It is a form of broadband connection where you are required to pay a monthly fee to an ISP for accessing the internet. So it is a type of a broadband connection. In a broadband connection also, um, we can receive a calls, or we can make a calls, and we are paying the monthly fee or monthly charge to that ISPs, internet service providers. So ISPs are the companies, so that companies provide the internet access or internet service. So in exchange for a fee, okay, they are charging for the user to give that service. Okay, so here also same thing, in a DSL also same thing. You can access the internet by paying monthly fee. Okay, whatever the charge they are going to charge, so by paying that charge, you can access the internet. Okay, so that is a DSL. So next is wireless connection. Okay, wireless means there is no wire. Okay, without wires also we can connect with the internet. For example, mobile phones. In mobile phone is not connected with any wires, but we are able to access the internet in mobiles. Wireless connection makes use of radio frequency to connect to the internet and offers great speed. So this wireless connection, it uses the radio frequency. Okay. So radio frequency will be used to connect to the internet, and the speed of that net is also very good. Okay, it can be accessed from any location that comes under the network coverage area. So here is this network. Okay, so internet, it can be accessed from any location if that location is comes under the coverage area, if that network is under network accessible in that particular area, then so this wireless connection can be used. It requires a Wi-Fi modem to be connected to your computer. So now here they are saying Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi is having a limitation. Okay, so distance limitation. So within that given range, so that Wi-Fi can be accessed. If you go beyond that limitation, then your device or your system won't be able to access the internet, because so there is a limitation. With that limitation, so within that area, okay, in that radius, you can say the internet can be accessed. Okay, so that is wireless connection. So in the today's session we have discussed cable TV connection, satellite connection, DSL, and wireless connection. Okay, so in our next video we'll see what is mobile internet. Thank you for watching.